Hello, everyone. Today I would like to talk about the history of cash and carry trade. So first of all, I would like to thank Daniel who gave me this data. So in this video, I will check 2017 bull market and 2018 bear market. So what we have here all data from 2017 and from 2018 from BitMEX with spot prices and future prices. So I have made these charts where we can find gaps between spot prices and future prices. So let's begin. So first chart we have 2017 March contract. As you can see, the contract began around at 5% premium, as in one time the gap increased at around 12%. So when the time passed, the premium was declining, and at some point it was minus 2.2, and again it came back, and again came back and went down. So we are here now in June contract of 2017, which one has started on March 18th, and as you can see, the gap was moving more significantly than it was in March. So on this graph you could like make more trades instead of March contract. As you can see that the gap was like 9.3% on March 25th, and on March 28th it has opened with minus 5.6%. So for cash and carry traders, as the gap is moving really fast, it is really a good thing, as you can make more trades in the one contract. So now let's go to the September's contract, which started on June 17th. As you can see, the contract started with really huge premium, 17.8%. So like you just holding for 3 months this contract, you could earn 17.8% of doing nothing. And the most important thing that you can close this contract earlier that it expires. So if you had opened this contract on June 17th, you could close it on June 29th. So after 12 days, you could have like 17.89% of profit. And the last contract is December future contract, which started on September 15th. Most of the time this contract was in contango mode, but we also can see some backwardation where the future price was lower than the spot price. So as you remember, the last quarter of 2017 was a parabolic move. So this graph is really interesting, and you can see that we could also made a huge gains on this last contract. So now let's go to see 2018 and when the bear market started. So we have first contract of 2018, March contract, and on January 1st this contract have opened with negative 0.76%, but the gap moved up, and most of the time we had the future price higher than a spot price. But what happened in 2018, that starting from June contracts opened earlier. As you can see, June contract had opened on January 3rd with small premium, but already on January 4th, premium was around 18%. So again, if you had opened this trade on January 18th, you could close it on February 8th, and like after 1 month you could have 18% of profit. So as we can go to the September's contract, we can also see that September's contract have opened on April 1st with backwardation and minus 15.37%. That means that spot price was higher than the future price, and again it declined really fast and the next day, and after a few weeks the price of the future contract even was higher, 4.7%. 2018 was a bear market, and you can see that we also can make trades on bear market with cash and carry strategy. But I would like to show you something really interesting, as that is December's contract on 2018. As you can see that the gap was moving really extremely to the both ways. One day the spot price is higher, other day the futures price is higher, and this one scenario is really a dream for cash and carry trader, because you can do very much trades. So let's say we have started here by longing our future contract, so we could do that. Then we could short future contract, then we can go long again, then we can short. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We have like 16 trades in the matter of around 5 months. So the bear market or the bull market, it does not matter. You can still have this cash and carry trade. But when we are in backwardation, when the spot price is higher than the future price, then we have to long future contract instead shorting it. So I hope this information was useful to you. I also have data from 2019 and from 2020. I will also check it and make a video about it. So thank you again for watching. If you have not joined yet our Telegram group, please do it. All links will be left in the description, and see you in the next videos.